students. So let's start with the new chapter, chapter number 4, the rat trap. Okay. So this chapter is from your Flamingo book, the rat trap by Selma Lagerlof. Okay. So the title is very different, the rat trap. What do you feel? That are we going to study the story of rat? Are we going to study the story of rat? No, it is not there. We are not going to study the story of rat. But yes, somehow we have some concept in the story related to the rat. Yes, it is there. So first of all, understand Selma Lagerlof. Do you know what is rat trap? Rat trap means pinjra, चूहेदानी. To catch a rat, what do you do? आप क्या करते हैं? No, you have not catch a rat. Okay, ask your mother. What does she do to catch a rat? She puts ghee chapati, bread in a rat trap, okay, in the kitchen or somewhere in the store, and the rat bichara is fooled with that bread, or chapati and gets trapped finally. So here in the chapter, same ideology, same philosophy, same idea is discussed here in the story. Beautiful story by Selma Lagerlof. Selma Lagerlof, Swedish author and teacher. Swedish author and teacher. Selma Lagerlof. Fine. And Selma Lagerlof, you can see her full name was Selma Ottilia Lovisa Lagerlof. She was born on 20th November. She born on 20th November. Born 20th November 1858 in Sweden. Fine. 1858 in Sweden, and died in the month of March. She born on 20th November 1858 in Sweden and died on 16th March 1940 in Sweden, and died on 16th March 1940. So she, Selma Lagerlof, was a Swedish author and teacher, and her many stories have been translated, into many languages. Fine. And her stories have been translated into many languages. She was the first woman who received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1909. So point to be noted that she was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1909. Okay, fine. So this is the chapter, the rat trap. Rat trap, very beautiful story, and one philosophy is discussed here in the chapter, the rat trap. The setting of the story is where? The setting of the story, Mines of Sweden. The setting of the story, Mines of Sweden. The rat trap chapter, the setting of the story is where? Mines of the Sweden. Mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore. Mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore. So definitely when mines of Sweden are rich in iron ore, so but obvious iron is what? Cheap over there. Okay, so iron is not costly in that area. This story is told somewhat, this rat trap story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. Fine. So now we will understand the theme of the chapter. The theme of the chapter. Okay. So theme of the chapter. Have you ever heard this statement that means you should not hate criminal, you should hate crime. आपको crime से नफरत करनी चाहिए, criminal से नहीं करना चाहिए. So same thing has been discussed over here in the chapter. Okay, wonderful ideology. We will later on, I'll explain you what is the philosophy and idea of the chapter. But the theme is what? That it provides this chapter provides something, what? That a glimpse into human nature. This chapter provides a glimpse into human nature. What? That glimpse into human nature. That it emphasizes the fact, this chapter emphasizes the fact that everybody has some goodness deep inside. Okay, means every human being, all human beings have some goodness deep inside, but that can be awakened. Why that can be awakened, we have to see in the chapter. But essential goodness, essential universal theme runs through here. What? Essential goodness can be awakened. Essential goodness can be awakened through with love and understanding. Okay, essential goodness can be awakened with love and understanding. So it emphasizes the fact, it emphasizes the fact, ये fact इस chapter में discuss होता है. What? That the essential goodness can be awakened with love and understanding. We will discuss how, हम discuss करेंगे कैसे. But this story is a beautiful example. This story is a beautiful example. This story is what? Beautiful example of what? That essential goodness can be awakened with love and understanding. Okay, fine. We will discuss in the chapter. Rat trap. We all know very well that the setting of the chapter is in related to Sweden, mines of Sweden, which is rich in iron ore. So, but obvious iron will be what? Iron is cheap over there, not costly. So, rat trap chapter emphasizes the fact that essential goodness means it is believed that a person kills his conscience, अपनी अच्छाइयों को मार देता है due to some circumstances, due to some condition. Okay, if a condition is there, suppose in case a person is very good in behavior whatsoever, but when he has seen that something wrong is happening with him, something wrong is done with that person, finally the person would behave very awkwardly, very rude. Okay, and the same incident when repeated in his life, the person would behave in that way. But finally, if you bestow your love, understanding, respect, finally man will share, exhibits. Finally man will exhibit what? His goodness. A person shows his goodness if you show your love and understanding. It is taught in the chapter. Now understand rat trap. Why the chapter is Pinjara, Chuhedani. Beautiful metaphor. Beautiful metaphor. Because metaphor, why I am telling metaphor? As rat trap is rat trap. What is rat trap? To catch a rat. To catch a rat, we put some ghee, chapati or bread in it. Okay, to catch a rat. In the same way, it has been discussed over here that a person, some human beings are there, some persons are there in the world who are attracted with some materialistic things and get trapped. ऐसा ही होता है कि अगर person जो है, if he is not following the right track, वो right track पे नहीं है, if he is attracted with the thing that is out of his reach, then what would happen? Finally he gets trapped. वो बिल्कुल ट्रैप होगा. As a rat is pulled by a bait and gets trapped. Okay. So now we will discuss characters of the chapter. अब हम लोग character जो हैं इस chapter के उनके बारे में discuss करेंगे. We will see. I'll explain you the characters in the next video, but have a quick view of some characters. First, protagonist of the chapter we can say is the peddler. So we can see protagonist of the chapter, the peddler. Okay, the rat trap peddler who roams here and there and sells rat trap. Okay, and earn some amount of money, but still he was not getting handsome amount of money, so he also depends on पिटी थिवरी वी विल सी इन दी चैप्टर। तो ये वो पर्सन है जो कि पिंजरे बेचता है और छोटी मोटी चोरी भी करता है। वाई? छोटी छोटी चोरी, वाई? टू fill his appetite, but still he lost in gloom, disappear. Okay, is no family. Second, we will see crafter. Crafter, very small role in the chapter, but we can see that he has little bit changed his life. Peddler की life कोई change करता है. Then we will see blacksmiths. Okay. Then we will see iron master, who is the owner of Ramjo's iron factory. Okay. And finally we will see Adela. Okay. One of the main character of the story, as she has awakened attributes deep inside that are hidden in Peddler with her love and understanding with respect. चैप्टर में हम लोग देखेंगे कि स्टोरी में how Adela has transformed the peddler into a wonderful man. We will see in the chapter. Beautiful story. So please today go through the chapter. इस story को पढ़िए and keep in your mind that the chapter, the story by Selma Lagerlöf. Okay, and this story setting is in mines of Sweden, which mines of Sweden are rich in iron ore. Then we have come to know that the basic plot is designed in what way. Universal theme runs in the chapter that the essential goodness of a human being can be awakened with love and understanding. And then finally we have come to know about the characters. Okay, in my next video I'll explain you the characters and then we will understand line by line explanation of the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.